Emsakazweni, ngiyathiwa niyaphila ezweni. Back again with another installation of Emsakazweni podcast. And of course, if it's your first time coming across our content, please stay with us and subscribe to the channel. It's Liqua Community Network at LCN_Zwakala now. Igama uLebohang. And Baba Retangzahoba Sansani Barkina Mr. LP WOHANG. Super excited for that. Niplomene yami. Dalanja ngayipina. Yo, otherwise my dog, are you good?
I'm good, my guy. Very good.
Laka. Mina ngikwazi ngo-nitros. Mara ngazi kahle ukuthi uma ngakho leya akayazi. With-IT, there's no way. Nitros.
Ayalazi. Namagame elokishini like everyone. Yabona noma sebafika bafuna nitros yabo. Nobody calls me by my ID name.
Which is?
Ntokozo. Yeah, this is your boy Ntokozo Mfana Kankosi.
Yeah.
AKA Nitros. Yeah, that's what's up.
That's what's up. Prazo, welcome to Emsakazweni podcast. Igama lale podcast Emsakazweni.
Thank you.
Mawucabanga lo vila ngibsuselaphi.
I don't know, bro.
Thando nomsakazo and of course ngiyabona because I know ukuthi uthanda kangakanani umsakazo ekuyinto nje namhlanje sizothi ukuyishare nje our experience on radio, doing live radio, which was an experience not like odlala. And at the same time I would like us to get into what you've been doing outside yona indaba ye radio, outside yona indaba ye Spani, because obvious khona 9 to 5 isidinga ama senti but passion ikhona eceleni. So basically I want us to cover nje izinto ozenzayo kuso ispace okanye kuyo industry ye media and entertainment.
Omunye bonke
zitezuthunyana. I don't know ukuthi le episode sizoyipublisha nini but if it airs before launch the MP3 Club podcast with uBaybelo, one will be confused with njani ngoba bathe bakhuluma ngalezi zinto on that one. Everything media, everything entertainment is on the MP3 Club. No guys, on this one the main purpose is sit down kungukuthi si highlight indaba yokuthi ngale kwezinto mhlambe esilangazelelayo singabantu, but if there's something ekudrivayo you can always juggle around ekutheni ufuel yona i-passion onayo at the same time impilo nayo ibiqhubeka kulokho kumele ukwenze in terms of grinding and getting them coins and this kanjalo. So that's where our focus is. Hence Emsakazweni podcast we mainly focus on leadership, community service, financial education, personal development and of course indaba yelona self-awareness.
Okay.
Yeah, my dog. But nje briefly kekuthiwa nangu leba kakwazi. But uyazi ukuthi ukhona Ntokozo Nitros Mfoka Nkosi. Wena ungazi-introduce nje uthini kimi? Kwegama nje lakho but nje yeah. Sihlangana estradini, maybe sihlangana kwi-event, sihlangane kwi-event nangu Nitros.
Okay, Nitros is just a simple guy. Firstly, I started as a music producer.
Okay.
Yeah, look at that. I think it was 2015 or 2014.
Yeah.
That's when I had my first laptop. I started music production, and then going forward, I went on. I was a rapper, man. I used to be a rapper, a very dope one too.
One can tell you, I'm a rapper.
Yes, I will tell you a story about how I also created the name Nitros.
Okay.
Yeah, and Nitros is just a simple guy, a music producer, a video editor, event organizer, a DJ.
Okay. Nitros is the industry.
Nitros is the whole industry. It's just that now I'm trying not to put all of those things in at the same time. But over manje, I'm trying to get some other people who think in those things and also to create a bigger team for Nitros as a brand.
That's where I would like us to get started. We are pushing a platform njengamanje Liqua Community Network. The main goal is to establish a radio station la Liqua. Enye izinto ebengathi mina there's lokho ziyi-challenge kumina iyona indaba ye-leadership and also the ability to put together a team yokuthi lento yenzele sibambisene with usisi label TCBC omunye wama directors ayo Liqua Community Network but we falling short when it comes to indaba yayo yokuhlanganisa i-team. Mhlambe highlighting the importance of lento le nawe ocabanga ukuthi usuyayidinga ungathini?
So I want to create a solid team in this entertainment industry. Kumele uthole people who are specified, like specific to doing that thing. Like maybe your camera guy, or a camera person must be specifically doing camera things, and then your sound guy must be just the sound guy, and you're the person who handles your administration must be there. The problem comes when you give umuntu one a lot of tasks, they end up not knowing what to do, and then time gets eaten. So for you to create a solid team, ungatholi umuntu who comes for profit, just a person who is willing to do anything. I want to also grow myself as a brand. But then if you're gonna find a person who's already a brand and whatsoever, they excel other way. And then like a simple way to find those people is to go Google or maybe go social media and look for instance for manager for the whole show. Just go there and ask for umuntu owenza course in management on any school or on any institution. On any institutions like and then just ask that person if we are doing this thing and this thing. So now so we want to create a team. So now we are in this field and then we are studying this thing. So we're gonna need a profession. That's why you're gonna create a very solid team.
I like what you've just said. Approaching those people, someone who's like still studying, not yet finished, because lo seqedile i-stress sakhe sekuthi umsebenzi uthola kanjani, and ufuna umsebenzi most definitely ufuna umsebenzi ozomkhokhela because iseka kuleso space vele sokuthi no, they need to like practice their profession and also make money and grow like financial wise empilweni zabo. But the one osesikolweni ngicabanga ukuthi yena as much as yebo kuzoba khona lawo ma cost mhlamba khona while you guys are moving doing whatever that you are doing, but akuzukuba yinto ayibeka phezulu kuzo zonke izinto ayidingayo, but yena azokuthokozela yini is to serve and practice lento le ayifundayo while asayifunda kahle kahle. So I think that one is like proper advice. And kokunye even ama business like us nginokunotice someone starts something, maybe bakery, umuntu uyabheka but not uyacheka uyazi ukuthi amnandi amakhekha lo mama like uyawashaya kazi sithi bari kukula me ola limonadi yalazi ukuthi vele lehamba shapiwe but then bese uzibuza ukuthi manje kusalaphi kahle kahle ukuthi lento ayenzayo ingamnikezi ama profits ngale ndlela, ingaphusheki ngale ndlela, because kusasala yona le nto ukuthi abantu bafuna ukuzenzela konke. Yebo when you are still studying lokho ungakhona ukuzibambela kona kubambe, but if there's a way ukuthi ungasondeza someone with those expertise or interest kulento le engakhona ukumove from point A to point B basondeza. So yeah, we was covered kamnandi lento le teamwork, of which I believe ukuthi nathi njengoba sesiqalile kanje into esizolokhu siyichecka nje ukuthi simisa kanjani. You also mentioned indaba ukuthi if you assign someone to multitask, leyo nto iphinda futhi deprive ne growth yakhe lo muntu, because if camera guy is focusing on camera, that means naye uzokhona ukuthi akhule kulento le a specific kuyona, of which is like a good point. Wawuhlanganiswa yini umsakazo kanje we DJ rap?
Okay, into engihlanganisa nelona nomsakazo. You know, now as a musician I wanted to have my music being played on radio. So I saw this big gap ukuthi ukuze amachita selection, like a lot of guys makumele bafake music on radio. It turns out to figure there because there are people who are paying for their music to be played. So I just wanted to be one of those guys who are doing good for everyone, for creatives. Yes, exactly. And also I wanted to have my voice being heard out there.
Okay.
Because I have a lot of content I need to share with people. In the kind of mind that I have, I can just keep it to myself. I need to share a lot of things and my experiences with other people. So that's when I decided to say, no, I'm going to join a radio. Luckily, I was one of the people who was chosen to be part of Code Radio, the previous one radio station that we used to work together on.
For someone who have been checking out our videos now on our channel, Likwa Community Network, who are because now and then you mention on almost every video.
Hey.
So why not? Understand the impact their movement is and like it was so huge.
It was huge.
Yeah, actually it's possible. On that one, let's say there's someone ekaya ufuna ukala business like, but then but I've never seen anyone doing this around my hood. I mean, mina mangiyenza why ngicabanga ukuthi izophumelela, like having that leap of faith mhlambe eyintweni abantu abazifisayo but abangazijwayelanga ukuthi zikhona where they are, and also banalokho kungabaza due to ukuthi abazi ukuthi reception is out there
on radio or on everything.
On everything, like generally. Okay. Obviously, you being part of Cool Radio, umbuzo wami usukela lapho because lento radio sasibukela like it was something so impossible for us. And when those guys started that thing, those ladies and gents whom we really appreciate and grateful for, lento mayifike emqondweni yabo bathi no, why not, let's try it on nangempela.
Only honestly speaking, that radio show, that radio station, it was one of the best radio stations. Now it had the one of the many of the best
individuals behind the mic.
There was,
and of course behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, it has the best. It had the best people like Parana Cool Radio. So the thing that was happening, it was mismanaged. I think that's my opinion. I don't know because even now today we don't even know. We are still wondering what happened. Besides the network thing and stuff, but then it could have came back and revived this Abuela coin and then started to do the thing bigger. So the problem happens. That happens that. When they start something, they want to see growth now. Immediately. So, scratch that thing when you want to be rich for now. There are a lot of people, who's this, the KFC guy. I think, but he ube rich, KFC, and 50 something or 60 something. When we are 20 something and then already you so give up in doing your body, also try that thing. So you get people who end up batala easy, you start a business today and then that business you perform well. When you don't reinvest into that business of yours, you take the profit and then you eat it at the same time. That's why when you start a business, Ibanendo is a site in it. Let's say I'm working there. I'm not gonna leave work because I want to start a business. I don't know what little business will survive or it's not gonna survive. So the thing that I'm gonna do is to keep on being in cash record while my business is operating. So that my business I can take from my pocket business survive. But at the end of the day, the business now say generating income, and then I don't have to take out anything from my pocket. So my advice to anyone out there, when you start a business, profit immediately. It's gonna take time. It's gonna take a lot of time. Usazoba head uthole like abantu zamaya, let's say now manje I'm part of your team, man.
Yeah.
Siyasebenza kahle, maybe until maybe in 6 months down the line siyakujikela ngithi mina ndoda uyabona mina nginkhona ukuyenza lento leyo kanje. Those things you're gonna face them. So if that person wants to leave, just say it's okay, mfethu. I wish you all the best. You can go, and then when I look for for another person, and bathing a better alternative.
Okay.
And so just look for another person, and then you keep on moving forward. The only thing that you shouldn't do is to give up. So keep on pushing your faith.
It's easy, ngingathi it's easy to hold on to the vision uma ngempela clear.
Yeah.
But from what you've just said, engikuzwayo ukuthi most yabantu uma benaleyo idea benaleyo vision bafuna ngazathi even indlela yokuachieve whatever vision abanayo ingaba clear okanye bayifanise neyo omunye umuntu, not knowing ukuthi lowo muntu loyo ubhekane namapha ama challenges. So uma eqala into, let's say you inspire me ukuthi mhlambe ngiqale isitolo samakota, and mina ngikwazi wena so wenzani, so pushile 5 years yonke usuwenzile ama profit, you went through your difficulties, challenges, at some point almost gave up, but you kept on pushing. Mina mangiqale yami manje, I'm like nah, kumele fane neyakhe, not knowing indlela wena oyihambile. So that thing, and also lento like instant gratification ukuthi okay sengusoma business manje kumele babone, that's why yashaya.
That's where you get it.
More especially siyindle emnyama leyo siyashaya nje kakhulu madog. You also moving kuso space summer events. Yeah, at an outset and lower scale, but when you check impact yakhona so low. I respect abantu aba host ama events for those underground artists, for lack of a better word, artists who are still like trying to build their names until they recognized by those big guys aba host ama events amakhulu obviously, but dinga platform stages so ukuthi bazi showcase and stuff. Your experience around in the event, especially some events.
So this thing in my events is one of the most difficult things you can ever come across when it comes to entertainment. Events are stressful, tiring, tricky. There are a lot of things. So, but I have a company of which I run my events and everything. My company that I registered in 2017 is called Airplane Music. So
Airplane.
Airplane.
Or
Airplane, flying one. Yes.
Alright.
It's Airplane Music. So I started Airplane Music back in 2015 or 16. Yeah, and then a few people I was managing, sending them records and then by the time.
Thank you.
2017 I went to college. That's when I started to I was doing sound engineering in Southwest Media College.
Okay.
That's the same year I registered Airplane Music. Yes, Airplane Music started performing. We were dropping just a few songs, everyone at the Jews, and then the thing that happened, Gucci as Nansa Corner, because I was paying from my pockets, from those lessons in that course. I ended up coming back. So I didn't give up there after being a dropout. Yeah, I'm one of the dropouts. After being a dropout, I continued, and then Airplane Music, I started joining events in actually the first event I ever did, it was 2016, yes.
Damn,
2016. And in 2016 I was doing matric, you see. Yeah, it was the same year of my matric year and the same year of my first event. It didn't go well. I tried to market it very hard, but it didn't go well. I ended up losing a lot of money, and then I was down 5K. In my matriculate, down 5K, bro. And that was one of the hugest loss I've ever made on my first event. And then 2018, at home we moved to Standerton.
Yeah.
That's where things started to happen. And then this thing, I decided to drop this thing for my records, of making records and everything, and then focus on the events. And then there's this place called Inongombi Rekope. Yes, yeah, it's here in Standerton. So that's where my everything picked up. From being known by people, from being known that I'm a DJ and I'm also an event organizer. That's where it all started to happen. But I haven't had the biggest event that I need. People, keep on telling me, you are doing big events and whatsoever. For me, I'm like, okay, it's fine, but it's not what I want. I'm doing this for the people Actually, that's one of the biggest things music. Events, I mean. I'm local artist actually a platform. So what I do is to do research myself. I make research and then I also ask other guys in Facebook and then just tell people to share anyone or recorder or doing any content in music. What they must come forward. Airplane music has been making careers. Airplane music has been making careers for a lot of people. Though we are a suffering events company, but a lot of people, they know why if us, the airplane music, had the money and everything. Amen. We would be far.
Yeah, I'll
be mentioning a lot of people. There are a lot of big artists of Standerton. They started being booked by Airplane Music, and I think we are the only. Not to say I'm bringing whatsoever or how people will take it, but now honest, we are one of the most paying event organizers. Or election, hence you see me working on double jobs. If I took every cent on the events I did, and then put them on my pocket, go managing the motor, I go to the studio with a car. I'm going to drop
This airplane is flying too high now. Let's slow down a bit. I got a couple of notes in closing of our sit down. Eyokala engafuna nje ukuthi sidlule kuyona indaba yokuthi the importance of having to invest in your craft, maybe not in your craft, because this episode will be one of the most confusing, especially for me as a host, and at the same time I'm like content because we're speaking mainly with side the business as an entrepreneur.
You just call me every time and I have content for days.
Okay, this one is stealing my content.
Shut up, baby.
Make sure that you check her out on the MP3 Club and also do link us up with the artists also spanning now, so that he's gonna sit down now on the MP3 Club. You speak of investing in what you believe in. Uthema so realize ukuthi unothando lwayo lento le your music. You went to school and you studied in the sound engineering. Mhlambe to amplify and emphasize kulokho. Maybe ngine business engilenzayo baking amacake akusanake iratela kuhle bathu sorry ngizolokho ngenza le example ngibhala amacake
the cake ngiyela nje ayisha
ngibhala amacake, but then at the same time the only thing engazi ukuthi vele ngina like God's given talent is so that skill sokubhala like masengibhalile ngiyashaya, but to move this whole thing as a business ngiyasala mhlambe into enze marketing ngiyasala in financial management into ezikanjalo. To amplify and emphasize is ukubaluleka kokuthi one should also equip themselves if kukhona indlela yokuthi ungaya esikolweni go to school abo into ezikanjalo. What would you say on that?
What I can say on that, people must just be patient with everything.
Okay.
Patience is, but patience is virtue. Yes, be patient with everything that you want to start. Just try to be in a space where you are in control.
Okay.
Be in a space or in a spiritual field, on yourself. This is it's a self introspection thing.
Now we're touching based on self-awareness.
Yes.
Let's go.
So I think that's what I need people to do. Just before studying whatever or doing whatever, ask yourself what do you want in this life thing. I'm where I'm working right now, but it's not where I want to be. I'm just there to make profit and get the hell out of it, and then I go and do my thing. So you need to have that vision. I want to do this, and where do I go from here? And if all odds fails, what do I do? Do I give up or keep on going?
All right.
Yeah.
Standard. My brother,
I don't know if I've answered
you. You've answered and also add more. Yeah, because icishe abantu abaningi sithi mase siyenza into esiyenzayo but then singafuni ukuthi sinikeze that attention, so thema sowuthinta on the part of self awareness yabe seyicover nje kwakuningi kahle kahle ukuthi if uzazi njengoba ngulebu working with abantu abathiza bosisi lebu laba bompost record pose ekutheni si establish this platform lisho community network SAP. Mina uma ngingazi understand mina self, then even the role ekumele ngidlale within this team kuzoba nzima ukuthi ngidlale kahle kahle perform my duties okanye like understand ama responsibilities enginawo kuyo le team, so ngizo end up all over because angiziqondi ukuthi ngingubani, but I'm jumping into this. I know who I am and I understand the vision yayo yonke lento. Kuyo le vision I've managed ukuthi ngizithole nami ukuthi okay yebo i-vision nayikhona but mina ngifitha kuphi kuyo yonke lento. So that thing is so very much important. We were speaking to entrepreneurs mainly with space whereby one is in business because unesiphiwo esithize, mhlambe ukwazi ukwenza izinto zezandla, mhlambe they are artists, vocalists, yabo into ezikanjalo. So those are the entrepreneurs kahle kahle le episode ebengifuna ikhulume nabo namhlanje.
Okay.
Yeah, basazophinde babone on the MP3 Club, strictly talking media, entertainment, arts. My brother, thank you very much, man, for honoring us with your time.
Thank you for having me, man.
Nah, man.
I'm blessed to be here. Thank you for the show, man. Touch my blood.
Shout out. Emsakazweni right here on Liqwa Community Network. Igama kuseyena uLebuhang. Mhlambe khona okuphushayo business and ufuna se profile, please do get in touch with us in all social media platforms, Liqwa Community Network. So yeah, silahlele nje nge-DM sibone ukuthi sixhumana kanjani nokuthi siphushana kanjani ukuthi siye phambili. Maybe you've been in business and you have so much that you feel that you can share with us engasikhulisa. Please also do link us okanye communicate with us nangempela kube ukuthi siyafundisa ngale platform and also we grow.
Can I share my booking contacts on your show?
Please. Sorry madam. Excitement you are home now. Anytime. Yeah man, how do you get in touch with you?
Okay, you can get in touch with me via on Facebook. I'm Nitros APM. On TikTok I'm also Nitros APM. And on every social media platform.
Nitros
it's Nitros APM. Yes, it's Nitros APM. And then for bookings, you can also call me on 079-572-4801. And then for the last time, it's 079-572-4801.
Yeah, on YouTube, I will definitely attach your number.
And don't forget to click that subscribe button.
Yeah, Ganja.
Sure.
Ganja. Sakini se family. Until next time. Boom.
I'm off.